Okay. Welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom Program. And today we are going to discuss two stocks with growth potential of 30% in coming days. So before we go and discuss, this is the disclaimer. This is not a trading advice or a investing advice. Okay, this session is for education purpose only. And participants have to do their own analysis themselves, develop their own conviction based on their technical and fundamental analysis for investing in the shares we are discussing today. So before we proceed, I want yes from everyone. Can everyone please type yes in the chat box that, okay, you are agreeing that this is not an investment advice or anything. This is a education program. And if you are going ahead, and even if you're watching this on YouTube, this is an education program. So not a trading advice. Okay, great. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for confirmation. Okay, so let's proceed. So what we are going to do today is we are going to analyze fundamentally based on fundamentals. What are the fundamentals of the stocks? Then we'll be discussing what is the technical, what are the technicals telling, and then we can see based on fundamental and technical how strong these stocks are looking. Okay, so let's straight away dive. Let's go ahead. So our first stock in the list is Aflac India. I don't know how it is pronounced, but I am assuming I am pronouncing correctly. So it is pronounced Aflac India. ठीक है ना? It's okay. So Aflac India, this is first stock which I am going to discuss today. If we see fundamental analysis, okay. I hope everyone has a screener login ID by now. If not, they have a free account which is good enough for analysis. See, if you see Aflac India, a screener will give you comparison with its peer group. These are some peer groups which, as per screener, it has posted here. Now, profit variable 3 years, if you see, okay, with the peer group, it is quite decent, right? So it is at the highest for last 3 years profit variable. This is for 5 years. 5 years also, this is better. KPIT Technology is 327. So this is better than this. So this is second ranking. Third is ROE is 18%, decent for this year. ROCE is 20%. Sales variable 53%. Sales growth 32%. So more or less, this Aflac India is meeting our ROCE, ROE requirements. Correct? It's a decent, it's a decent growth stock, which is having a decent in comparison with its peer group growth happening in last 4 to 5 years. If we go to debt to equity ratio, again, this is pretty decent. It is 0.7 only, so less debt, more equity. Promoters holding is 59%. We anyway want more than 35%. So on all these parameters, looks to be a decent company. Okay. So after doing the basic sanity check, like we have studied in fundamental analysis sessions in past few days, we went through the fundamental analysis session. Once the stock passes filtration criteria of fundamental analysis, we should be very, very convinced with the product, what it is selling. So screener has some product description also. So let's go through briefly the product description also in this. This is a company with a proprietary consumer intelligence platform that transforms ads into recommendations, helping marketers to effectively identify, engage, and acquire and derive transaction with their potential and existing users. So this is more on mobile based, like we are doing browsing, or app based. So what happens is, if there is a customer who is browsing on his mobile, how many of you use smart mobile nowadays? Everyone uses a smart mobile. Correct, no? No one is using those traditional only ting 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 wala mobile phones. So everyone is using smartphones nowadays. On smartphones nowadays, mostly it has replaced all the functions of a laptop. Only I think office people are using laptop. Other than that, everyone is using mobile phones only. They use it for browsing, searching, everything, and more ads appear, whether you are browsing and on apps. All those ads to make you buy. So those types of ads are being developed by Afala India for its customer. So, and the thing which attracted me was they have revenue on cost per converted user. That means they are not charging only on whether the customer has seen the ad or not, whether they have clicked or not, but it's a cost which is which they charge to their customer is cost per converted user. That means the customer has placed the order. Now, why I feel that is a better model? Because that shows their skin in the game. Affle has their own skin in the game. They are serious about their business, and they are charging their customer when the end customer, the customer's customer, finally places an order, which shows much more commitment towards customer orientation and all. And if you go, you will find a lot of detail in this screener. They have given all this quite a lot of description, what they do and all. Second thing is, I would request everyone to go to the annual report. This annual report is last year's. Again, if you click on this financial year, last year, you will find a lot of interesting things here. So this will give them a business model, why their business dipped in 2020. It took a hit because of COVID-19. Again, it is on a curve towards success with the current status of affairs, people going back to office and things changing. So things are looking bright for this. So you can go through the financial report of Affle India, which is available via screener, or even you can go to their website and read it. So fundamentally, these are the driving points which attracted me towards this company. I found this company to be good. From business model point of view, also from customer orientation point of view, also, I felt this is an attractive company. So I thought I'll share this finding with you all. Now coming to the technical chart. Now technical chart, when we see the technical chart, what is this forming right now? This is a weekly chart, huh? This is not a daily chart. What is under formation right now in the technical chart in price action? Anyone, someone? Okay, no. Okay, so Nikhil is saying triangle. How about others? You people have been attending the webinar for quite some time. I've been posting it on the group. Okay, only 2 people are saying triangle. How about others? Okay. Okay, great. So I believe this is a descending triangle. This is a descending triangle. Absolutely right. This is a descending triangle. So this is, if you see the price action is making a descending triangle. And based on the technical analysis, we know if the price breaks out of the triangle, which looks good because this is a resistance level at this level, and given if this share breaks the resistance level, right, if the share this is under the formation of a triangle, it has been in consolidation from almost, I think, February, March 2021. So March 21 to March 22, and 2 years, 2.5 years, it is in consolidation. Initial pattern looks like a head and shoulder. If it is not breaking down on the lower side, see, again, you have to be very cautious here. This is a head and shoulder pattern which is formation here. So just because we are discussing, don't jump ki theek hai, discussion ho gaya, acha lag raha hai. People might not do analysis and jump in, but you have to see that this is a head and shoulder pattern also, though it should have been head and shoulder pattern, breaks at the second shoulder, which it has not broken, it has gone up, which is a positive sign for going upwards. Based on the triangle theory, based on the weekly chart, if the breakout happens at 1200, okay, breakout means on a weekly candle should close above this triangle. So it has to close above this triangle. Once this breakout happens, then based on the triangle theory, there is a likelihood that it will go from here to here, which is equivalent to the distance of the triangle, as we have learned in the triangle. So whatever is the width of the triangle, it will go from here to here. If we measure the width, okay, so if we measure the width from here to here, and we say, okay, we put here around this triangle here on the breakout, it will go. So from this point, okay, so this is showing 54.64%. No, it is 1200. From 1200, it is around 1800. So 600 points, there is a possibility of going. Everyone good? So far, so good? Yes, no? Okay, great. So I would request you to go and see, find more about business model of Affle, what it is doing. If you find something which is very, very negative about this business model, or you're not convinced, you can send me direct message. You should be doing more analysis and then look out this. So we have, but the entry for a triangle is only on breakout. I'll show you one breakout. I have shared, I think, 1 month back, this Titan. Okay, I had shared Titan in the group. This is also weekly triangle. See, this is a proper breakout of triangle. In Titan, if you can see, this is the triangle happening on a weekly chart. I had shared in the group, I think few months back, that if the breakout happens, there is a possibility that it will go till here as per the triangle concept. So in this is a proper breakout. This is a exact to the book breakout on a weekly basis. So the weekly candle closed above the triangle and then it started its journey. It is likely, as per triangle concept, it is likely to go till here. Another thing is, this is not a breakout. What is not a breakout is this. I have shared yesterday Mahindra and Mahindra 75 minutes time frame. This is okay. This is 75 minutes time frame, which I shared. This is 7, yeah. So this is a breakout has happened. Yes, in this, oh, I missed today. So anyway, it has gone down. It is still hovering above the stop loss. The stop loss, which is by 1391. So it is somewhere here. It is still not closed. Okay. So as long as it is hovering above the stop loss and goes, still we are good. Once it goes below, then people can observe that the exit is triggered. Okay. Okay, so good question. Aniruddha is asking why we are considering weekly and not daily chart for Affle, right? So there is no particular reason why we are considering this, because in this we can see that the chart is beautiful. A very beautiful triangle is forming, correct? Okay, I'll allow you to unmute and then maybe we can discuss this before we go ahead. Yeah, Anirudh.
So it is more to do with where I can see the clear pattern. So I should try one daily and maybe
absolutely
weekly
right.
to
Absolutely.
reconfirm. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Because
So,
the time span is also more, no? It will be challenging to.
so time span is more. We will have to wait for it to go there. Then we'll have to observe it. So maybe another 1 year it will take to reach here. So it's not that either say trigger one, it will reach here in 2-3 days here. No, because it has taken consolidation for almost, I think, 1.5 years from Jan 22. So 1 year is like almost 16-17 months for consolidation. So it will take 1 year to reach here. So, and it is more to do with the pattern. It is more, it's a beautiful pattern forming on weekly. So we are taking a weekly chart.
Samir.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Samir.
Yeah, Nitin.
Yeah, I have one question. Whether confirmation of for breakout is necessary always? Because
yes.
sometimes it happens that it gives the breakout, but after 2 or 3 days it comes back and again it goes inside the triangle. So whether any breakout, it should again go up, not come down like that. That confirmation is required or not, or we should jump once it comes out of the. It gives a breakout. So whether we should jump and buy that, or whether we should wait and get a confirmation for that breakout, since it has taken
I got your question. What happens is once it breaks out, like I have mentioned earlier, that you should have a risk management plan and a trading plan along with the breakout. So the trading plan is when it breaks out from here, you can buy. Okay. For a triangle, if there's a breakout, there's a close above this line, you can buy, and then you can have a trailing stop kind of stuff. That okay, if it is going up, I'll trail stop this breakout with certain number of points. So if it comes back again, you can exit, then again buy when it is going up. So if let's say if it is coming out from here at this line 1200, you are buying it, let's say 1230. It goes up, again comes down here. So you can exit that time, again buy when it is going up. Sometimes it will come back, sometimes it will go straight away. So no one can say, nay, it will come back. So again, if it is not coming back, the other question is, can we enter immediately? If it is, sometimes it is coming back, that question is, should we wait? So sometimes if the markets are bullish, it will not come back. Many times it depends on the market situation also. In case the markets are very bullish, it will not pull back. This is called pullback. So it goes back and then it goes up. If the markets are not very bullish, then we can wait for a pullback. If you are thinking that market is bullish, then you can take a breakout on same day and have a trailing stop. That way.
No, one more point I would like to highlight is that while breaking it out, you should see the volume also.
Correct, absolutely right.
Because if it breaks out with a lesser volume, that means the failing of breakout also, the possibility is very much high.
Correct, absolutely.
Samir, एक कॉफी डे जरा चेक करो, कॉफी डे कल ब्रेकआउट हुआ
सर। आज हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव सिर्फ 2 ट्रेड्स का है, एक ये स्टॉक और दूसरा स्टॉक, तो वही ऑब्जेक्टिव है।
अभी एक मेरा क्वेश्चन है आपसे। I've seen you are sharing many triangles on a 75 minutes or 1 hour. तो ये 75 मिनट का एकदम नया चीज मुझे लगा। तो इसका बड़ा सिग्निफिकेंस है क्या? मतलब सपोज वी आल्सो आइडेंटिफाई ट्रायंगल, should we look at 75 or 1 hour or day?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। जहाँ पे अभी जैसे ये वीकली है, so wherever you get weekly triangle, daily triangle, see, triangle should look beautiful. The only objective is, see, what happens is any time frame, weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, whatever time frame you are seeing, the triangle should be a triangle. Normally, see, everyone should pay attention how the triangle should look. This is the wall of the triangle. This is the wall of the triangle. Can everyone see that, okay, the price is bouncing between the sides of the triangle? Can I have yes from all of you if you are able to see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. So it has to be a nice, beautiful. If you're watching it, you should feel happy about this triangle. Yes, the price is bouncing between the lines. उसमें टाइम फ्रेम का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. आप उसमें टाइम फ्रेम 5 minutes रख लो, 50 minutes रख लो, 1 hour रख लो, 1 day रख लो, 1 week रख लो, doesn't matter.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Sir, just a follow-up question on that.
Yeah.
So between the various time frames, like, weekly, daily, hourly, is there any impact on the timelines to meet the target sooner? So like, for example, a 75-minute triangle to reach the target, is it sooner than like, say, a weekly?
See, whatever is the consolidation time. Okay, whatever is the consolidation time, the consolidation is 545 days in this. If you see here, 545 days is written, correct?
Mhm.
The target to reach will be almost half of that. So 545 ka half kitna ho jayega hamara? 250 and 270, correct? So around 270 days, which is almost 1 year, correct?
Mhm. Okay.
So it will take to reach here is almost 1 year. So that is how for 75 minutes it will take 5 days. Consolidation is normally in 75 minutes it takes consolidation of how many 50 bars, that is 5 days. So 2.5 to 3 days it will reach to the target.
Okay.
मतलब ये मतलब है कि अगर 1 hour का हमने लिया है,
हाँ,
तो कितना टाइम उसने लिया है कंसोलिडेशन में,
हाँ,
हाफ टाइम लगेगा टू रीच द टारगेट.
एब्सोल्युटली. मतलब ये एक जनरल स्टैट्स कहता है, मतलब ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है कि पहुंचना ही चाहिए. मतलब कल को नहीं पहुंचे तो यू शुड नॉट पिंग मी, बट नॉर्मली इट रीचेस इन दैट. ओके.
So like today,
सर वो कंसल्टेशन का टाइम
M&M
कैसे मेजर किया? कंसल्टेशन का टाइम you started from the green,
Yeah,
3 green flags.
from here to here. Yes.
Okay.
I just roughly took, if it breaks out from here, we have to take few more days, but roughly we'll get the estimate from where to where it will go. And then second question from Lakshmi is fundamental analysis is a requisite for swing trading where the holding is mostly for below 3 months? No, Lakshmi, if you are doing purely based on technical analysis, like I'm posting on the group, those are the swing trades based on triangles or Fibonacci. We will start getting Fibonacci also. But that is purely technical. If you're doing, fundamental is not required. Since this stock I was going through and I found it fundamentally also decent, so I combined both. And since the holding time is quite long, we will have to hold it for 1 year. So for anything holding for 1 year, we need to have both convictions that way. Fine.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I just posted another question on M&M. Today, overall market was bullish. Sector was also going up. But then, there was a pullback in the price in M&M after reaching the buy target.
Correct. So that is the part and parcel of the game. So sometimes this will happen. Everything around is good. The triangle is there. The breakout happens. It closes above. And then it pulls back. So that's why the risk management, the amount of money, if we keep consistent for all the stocks which we are trading, then that comes under risk management. It should not change with our moods and fancies that, okay, today I am happy, I'll put 50,000 on M&M. Tomorrow I am sad, so I'll put 25,000 on Dabur. No, consistently if we trade, then there will be around 6 to 7 trades which will be successful, and there will be 3 to 4 trades which will definitely fail. So this happens. We see what we are trying to do here is we are trying to see the high probability likelihood. What is likely to happen high with a high probability, and we take that bet based on a high probability. And it will succeed. So more number of times it succeeds, sometimes it will fail. So that happens.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. See, even fundamental analysis, like people feel that if there is something called fundamental analysis, it is not a high probability. Again, fundamental analysis also is based on high probability. We assume that, okay, the stock has been doing so and so for last 5 years. So it is likely to do in the same way in next 5 years. So this is our high probability thinking that, okay, this was working nicely for 5 years. The factory was good, the management was good for 5 years. So we assume it will also go nicely for next 5 years. We assume that there will be no hindrances, but there can be many hindrances globally, locally, policy changes, and we have to accept that, okay, we analyze this thing and then it changed midway, then we have to accept the fact and change our course of action also that way. So fundamental analysis is also high probability game. Technical analysis is also high probability game. So we have to accept both part of it. Fine. Okay. So next, our second.
I have another view on it.
Huh.
Well, when we have gone through with this fundamental analysis, we have confidence in the stock that it will go up. And I am a demand supply trader.
Okay.
I find it as there is a weekly demand zone at 956 level. If you draw a line at 956, this is a weekly demand zone.
Okay.
Just draw at 956.
956. Okay.
Precisely 955.6.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So 956, this is a demand zone. And by nature, the market, the stock will go up and down. It goes normal. It's a normal.
Okay.
And if it comes to 956 or if 960 or 950 or whatever, close to 960, I will enter the stock.
Okay.
I will enter in the stock.
Okay.
And I will see till your line, that is 1200, or maybe whenever it crosses the black color line, if it enters back, if it is not given a breakout, it has given a breakout, again, it has come down. I will exit from the theory that it has not given me that breakout has been failure. At least I will make money from 950 to maybe 1198 or something like that.
Okay.
And if it break out and if it touches 1819, in that case, my result will be 100%, not 30%.
And what about if it goes down?
See, then if it crosses 9 and below, then I will exit. I will book a loss.
What point?
Part of the game.
What point?
Whenever this lower black line, that is whatever is your 888. If it before, then I'll book a loss.
Okay, great, fine.
That is a part and parcel of the job. I mean, our market.
Perfectly fine.
Yeah.
So see, again, I 100% agree with your trading plan. So it's a different perspective how people are trading. So it's a different perspective. You are taking a pullback. You are sort of catching a falling knife. I'm trying to take a breakout. So it's a two different strategies. Every strategy has its pros and cons. So we should be knowing our own strategies and sticking to it.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Great.
Thanks.
Okay. So let's go to the next. Okay. So I'll just.
Sir, it happened in one of the.
We'll come back to it. Let's go ahead with. Sorry for muting you. Okay, so let's go to the next stock. Okay, this is on my radar. Actually, today I was not planning to share this stock because I want to do some more analysis on this. So this is only food for thought for all the people who are joining today. This is Chennai Petroleum Corporation. Okay, so this is with IOC, Indian Oil Corporation. And this is having a refinery. I have to do analysis for my own. But why I got attracted? Because of its fundamentals. So fundamentals seem good for this company. Profit variable 3 years, 5 years, ROE, ROC, everything looks good. Debt to equity ratio also is pretty much under control as per the peer group. So I felt this company was good. I'm further analyzing it. I'm just sharing with you so that you people can also go and see what is happening in this company, what is happening in this sector, and then you can decide on your own. Why I'm sharing this is, one is so fundamental theek lag raha hai. Second is that if you see on a, oh, what happened? Okay, if you see here on a daily time frame, this is forming a cup and handle pattern. So this is a cup. It has gone. This is a handle. Thoda sa chota handle. Pakadne ke liye difficult hai. It would be good if it would have come little down. But if you see, this is forming a cup and handle. So I thought I'll share with you all. You can have your own analysis. Why this is forming cup and handle? What is the likelihood of it going? Just to share, cup and handle, it will go whatever is the difference from here to here. Let's say 200 to 400. As per the cup and handle theory, it has to likelihood to go till 600. So from here to here, if from 200 till, if you take 400, if there's a breakout, there is a likelihood that it is likely to go to 600. So this is what is the technicals are saying for the Chennai Petroleum. So I'm just sharing with you all. Please do fundamental analysis. Yes, someone said, Ashokji said that is putting up new plant. Yes, they are putting up new plant. That much also I read. If you zoom in Chennai Petro for a short-term duration, again, there is a triangle formation. If you see, how many of you can see the triangle formation here? Anyone seeing? Yes, no? Okay, so we have a triangle formation, a short-term triangle formation here. So on a short term also, this is there, but this was more for a, like we have a good breakout. So people who want to observe it, they can see how it plays out. For this, let's see what is the target for this. Okay, so we have this from here to here. So we have a short term around. Let us see when it will break out. Okay, so if it breaks out within 2-3 days, then we have a good breakout. From here, we have around 11% upside as per the triangle theory. So this, I believe everyone can observe once it breaks out, whether it goes here or not. Okay, and in long term, it looks to be a cup and handle. So it's a, like, again, it will take, because it has taken almost 2 years to form this cup and handle. So any breakout, any reaching will almost take 1 year or so going further. Okay, everyone good? So far, so good? Okay, any questions on this? I'll allow you to unmute. Megha, we are not diversing from today. Today we are sticking to 2 charts, so we are not taking other charts. So maybe next week again I'll keep question answer session. Any question on this Chennai Petro? Okay, I have allowed. Yeah, you can unmute if you have a question. Okay, let's take Fine Organics. Again, this is under investigation. Not cup and handle is not very clean cup here on a daily basis. So I'm not taking it up right now. I'll wait for some more confirmations to form. Then people can keep this under observation for Fine Organic, how it is performing. Not done any fundamental or technical analysis. Technical, I'm not finding this as good, but I'll be doing it. So I'm just sharing with you people that you can also, if you want, have a look at it, what is happening here. Okay. So any questions for whatever we have covered so far in this session? Okay, no questions. Hello, good morning. Okay, so have you people learned something new today? Yes, no? Okay.
Hi, Samita. I joined first time.
Okay.
Thank you. It was
Yeah,
very
welcome.
nice actually.
Thank you.
Yeah, I am little bit poor in this drawing these lines and all. I'm not sure whether how I can learn on that.
I have a video uploaded how to use TradingView. So this is a TradingView charting software. So I have uploaded a YouTube video on how to use TradingView. So I would recommend you to go through that
Okay.
videos. I have a channel, YouTube channel. So I'll upload this session also, and then you can go and subscribe to the channel. You can search in my channel. You'll find how to use TradingView. I have gone through the theory of triangles as well. So consolidation patterns, reversal patterns, all those things are there. You can have a look, so you will be able to catch up what we discussed today.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, great. Okay, great. So with that, we come to the end. Channel is in my name, like it's in Samir Bapat. Okay, hold on. I'll just show you. Okay, so this is my channel. I think Samir Bapat is the name. I'm not very tech savvy, so I don't know how it will appear there. So I'll share the link. If you're how many of you are part of the group? Those who have joined for the first time? Are you part of the financial fitness group? If you're part of financial fitness,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, so I'll be sharing this anyway. I'll be uploading today's recording. You can go through it. This is the channel. You will find my photo here. Maybe I look the same. Okay, so you can subscribe to it, and you can then whatever I'm uploading, or you can find in my channel whatever you are doing. Oh, sorry, whatever you want to find, you can even send me a message. I'll tell you. And there is a playlist also. So I have created a playlist. This is for beginners, which is this 12 Wednesday 12 session. So there is a playlist as well here, which you go through. If you're a beginner, you will understand. I have gone one by one for the beginners what they can learn various things in stock market. So it is also there.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, great. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. I hope everyone enjoyed the session. I will send the invitation for group also, so people can join. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for joining. See you next Wednesday.